All right, that part turned out amazing. So now I had to take it off because I didn't want it to get stuck on there. When I start putting the mat on, it would have been so difficult to get off. So now I already trimmed all the places that I needed to. So yeah, this is gonna be all a one-piece tail. Once it's all said and done, I got my chop mat here. I'm just gonna lay out all my chop mat, and then we're gonna wet it out. Once it's wetted out with all the mat on, then we're gonna put it back on the bike. Hopefully we can keep these points right here flush where they need to be. I think it's all gonna work out. My rectifier goes here. I made a new spot for it. And like I said, my computer is gonna go in the inside of here. There's plenty of space on the inside for a lot of my electronics and stuff to go in. Yes, sir. This thing turned out amazing. So now all I'm gonna do is take it off, and we're gonna start doing the first layer of the body work. So I got some trimming to do on this thing, but I am so happy to get this tail section done and finished. Mold all this in together. I think this is gonna be a nice little touch. I think this tail is gonna turn out amazing. As soon as I get it done, so much work. I'm still debating about these fins. I love the way they look, but I'm thinking about doing something a little bit different. I'm not 100% sure yet, so just stay tuned. Let's see what we're gonna do with that. But other than that though, let's pop it off. Let's get busy. Well, let's appreciate this tank. Oh my goodness. So I need to do another layer of clear coat on this thing, and there's a few little areas that I want to touch up on before the final, but I definitely want to add another 3 more layers of clear coat on it. But it turned out beautiful. I can't say much about it. Number just is a little dirty right now. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog, fine people of the world. So today, as you know from yesterday, I was getting all of the parts forgot to left the door open. I was getting all those parts sanded, and I'm still currently doing the body work on those parts. Now, however, I need to grab my front, tear this thing all the way down, and let's get this thing prepped for paint. So I'm gonna be painting the wheel, be painting all of this nasty stuff here, the brake caliper, all that good stuff. So I needed to get this thing tore down, and even the forks, whew, those look bad. So let me go grab this thing, get it over here on our table. Once I get it clean, and we'll be ready to go. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that post notifications so you don't miss any videos. Do it right now. Do it today. Couple things have changed, really not much. So I just got to finish taping this up. We're gonna paint these two things, and I'm about to get ready to prep the front wheel so we can get all of that taken care of. Still need another coat. I did a leveling coat on this the other night. I just need to do another coat on the other sides. So we're gonna address that today as well. Of course, I need to clean all of this stuff up. Got a new compressor. Funny story about this yesterday. The guy thought he was getting over on me. I got it for $100. He said it needs a switch. And I was like, well, hey, I don't know if it needs a switch. So anyway, I paid him the $100 because I kind of knew what it was. So anyway, in the inside of the compressor, if I can pick up this little part. Anyway, inside of the compressor, right up under here, you have two of these little, I don't know, I call them like little shims or whatever, but one of them was burnt out. Changed it. I couldn't get it up, go to over 40 PSI. Now we up well over 40 PSI. So I think this is gonna be a good little compressor for the fraction of the cost just by replacing this. All right, so I'm about to get ready to start painting. However, I gotta figure out how to lay these parts where I can hang them. So I'm just looking in the inside here. They have these tabs that I possibly could use, but when I pull on it, even just the slightest pressure is gonna bend it. So I don't want this thing to collapse. So I need to go build something that I can set up with some stands to hold all of my parts. So then when I paint them, I don't have to worry about it. You know, it's gonna be nice. But for the money, this is worth every penny to have this portable paint booth. All right, spray booth is up. It is almost go time. Gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with hanging this one up, but I got the disc, the brake disc all in. Got the yellow already sprayed on that, so it's about time to take that up. And then we're gonna shoot the black and the flip-flop on it, but no, it's looking good. I'm very happy. Then after that, going to wet sand the frame. We're gonna clear coat that too. I said frame, swing arm.